Alright, I'm gonna set off my first firework today. There we go. Wow. Wow. That one was a banger. Alright. Next one. Okie doke. Let's see here. Come on. I'm worried about the stability of this one. I should have these all set up so that, you know, I can do them immediately as soon as I unbox them. Oh my god, why do you need tape? Freaking thingy is taped. Damn it. Hi. Oh, come on, I'll just pull the... There we go. I should do that with the rest of them, so I don't gotta do it later. Oh, is this one damaged? Oh no. I kind of see the lighter thingy. Come on, there we go. Alright. Yes, I know what a fuse is. Come on, Bugs. Open sesame. Yeah. Wow, they have a box for this one. How annoying. Come on. Come on. Oh, I guess they wanted it in the box. Does it say... Carefully read instructions on back panel. Emit sparks. Yeah, no dip. Sherlock? I mean, it doesn't look like it comes off, so I'm just gonna open the box for this one. And we got two small ones in the back. Cracking strobe effect. But how do I use it? How does one use cracking strobe effect? Do I just throw it on people? That's how I do it, right? I throw fireworks and pacifiers. That's how it works, right? Oh, they're so tiny and cute. Oh my god, look at them. They're so tiny. Look. Come on, focus camera. Oh, we got another box one. Okay. Whoa. Cool. All right. One of these days, I'm gonna be super rich and buy way more fireworks. Their fireworks are much louder than mine. Alright. Let's see her. Come on. Come on. You got this. Light up. Very pretty. Okay. That one's just gonna catch on fire, isn't it? Oh, it's so close. Cool. Next. Ooh, I think this was my favorite. I like it. Very pretty. It's not super loud. I guess I could have done this at my house. Oh well. Oh yeah, just be careful. You too. You too. Alright, we got 6 of these baby ones. No, there's more than 6. OMG. They're so tiny. I want those cool wand ones, but you know, whatever. Oh. Tiny. Very tiny little things. Kind of tedious having to light all of these at once. There's like a bunch of these. I'm gonna put 2 together because, yeah, it's faster that way. That was a close call. Wow. That one was a dud. You know what? I'm gonna stick all of them over here so that I can light them up one by one. And if they light each other up, even better. Okay. What's going on here? Okay. Oh my god, that thing just shot out. Back in the day, I paid $30 for more freaking fireworks than this. Now it's like $60 for this small little amount. Freaking rude. Oh well, it's pretty. I like it. It's very pretty. Oh, it lit one up. It lit one up right next to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Is that all of them? I think that's all of them actually, yeah. No, we got one left. One left. Ooh, it's kind of purple. Oh, I can't really see it in the freaking video though. Very nice, very pretty.